Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the feature and verifying accounts so recording can initialize. Open Settings and enable Xbox Game Bar, then sign into your Microsoft account if asked. Once done, check the hotkeys, Win+G to open and the record hotkey to make sure keyboard controls respond. Also, confirm game mode and background recording are enabled so captures run even when an overlay closes. These steps allow the system services to start and give the recorder permission to access audio and gameplay. Next, configure what actually gets recorded and why audio or frame drops happen. Open capture settings inside Game Bar to set quality, frame rate, and background recording length. Higher settings need more CPU/GPU headroom. Then go to Windows Privacy and grant microphone and camera access so audio captures work. Once done, update graphics drivers and check for Xbox Game Bar updates in Microsoft Store. Outdated drivers or app versions commonly break recording and cause black screens or stuttering. To finish, perform quick verification and a targeted fix if issues persist. Restart the Game Bar services or reboot the PC to apply changes, then make a short test recording to verify audio and video. If the game runs in exclusive full screen, switch to borderless or windowed because some modes block overlays. If problems continue, reset the Xbox Game Bar app or run the Windows Store app's troubleshooter. And make sure background recording is not blocked by antivirus. These steps resolve most stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.